This video I'll be talking about how to create bottom sheet in Flutter. Like this is the demo. When I'm clicking on this button, there is bottom sheet appears, and you can do according to your use whatever you want to do. Like you can use scroll view, list, image, text, whatever you want to use, you can use it. And there is close icon I have used here. When I'm clicking on this, and now when I'm pressing anywhere in the screen, it is not closing. So there is also some setting regarding this, and I will also tell this in this video. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this, first of all, this is my home page, and inside center I have taken elevated button, which is this button, and on press I have used show model bottom sheet. There is no package used, and I have used here is dismissible false. That is why when I am tapping on this button and when I am tapping anywhere on the screen, it is not going down. When I am scrolling down, it is also not going down. So for that, let me do it true. Let's run this once again. Now when I'm clicking, it is going down. Basically it is disappearing, and you can also, no, it is not managed. Let's scroll down or up. Okay, so there is button. You can use button in the bottom also for navigating pop. So let's jump into the code for better understanding. Is dismissible is true, and background color I have set from here blue gray, and shape I have given round rectangle border, and it is of 25. So this is the particular shape that I'm maintaining from this code. Context, which is the same context. Inside build, it is taking size box. So this is my size box, and the height is 400. You can manage height of this bottom sheet from here. You can use according to your screen size also, like this that I have used here. And for now I have commented this, but you can use it. While applying this in your code, you can pause my video and apply the effects in your code, and you can see the changes. And then I have taken padding as a child, given 15 padding from all four sides. So these are the paddings. And then I have used this is single child scroll view. That is why it is scrolling up and down. Okay. Then inside column, I have used gesture detector for this particular cross button. So this is the button inside gesture detector, and inside row I have taken it. I have managed it to this corner because of main axis alignment end. And then I have taken this image. This is basically asset image, and I have rounded it with the help of clip rrect. This is text, and again you can use button also for making a screen pop like this. So that's it in this video. Hope you have liked the video, and please subscribe my channel. And that's it for now. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Till then, eat, sleep, code, repeat.